find you a Bucky.
It's not a bucket. It's a Hilux.
It is TV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is Times.co.za. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Polokwane City 0. Kumdlalo Betway Premiership is match day 2. Kaizer Chiefs collecting 6 points out of a possible 6, winning 2 out of 2 games. Exactly the same way they started last season.
But this time they took your position. Deputy.
Bobo, let's talk about Kaizer Chiefs.
Okay.
Kaizer Chiefs are sitting number 2 on the log
Yes.
after Durban City. Wena ngoku Bobo nangoku sekukho abalule relegation.
Shane.
Inyawo lakho alisuka entanyeni mhlobo.
Wena bengingamelanga uhleke ukabona umuntu ofeyila i-grade 11 ayohleka umuntu ofeyila i-first year evarsity akwenzi sense man.
What are you talking about, Bobo?
Wena phela Shane.
What are you talking
Wena
about?
phela nomngane wami manje njengoba sikhuluma kanje. Wena ulwela i-relegation mngane wami.
Bobzini.
Nangu so athi manje uyacela ukuthi
Iligi vala.
sizame thina nabo junior nani sem-escort uma siphuma la. Mina angashayisi manje no junior. Kumele ukuthi masisuka la escort utso manje.
Utso akekho safe.
Uthi akekho safe.
Utso no Chucks abekho safe.
Bathi abekho safe. So sheesh ithi ngikubulise mngana wami singayidip ngibulise uShay u Justo lapha.
Yeah.
Ngibulise uLindo ngibulise noTso no Junior noNkululeko. Ngibambi legend no Chucks and Chucks aba happy.
Yeah.
Aba happy mngani wami. Good.
Bobzin, we just witnessed umdlalo with Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
There were a couple of changes they made from la team bidlale against Stellenbosch last season. I think about 3 or 4 changes abazenzileyo namhlanje. But into ebalulekileyo is that Kaizer Chiefs collected 3 points.
Yeah.
Ubone njani umdlalo namhlanje?
Shane ithi na last week ngikale njalo ngathi ngibabongise abo Yusuf no coach Cedric.
Yeah.
I think benza umsebenzi omuhle. Yeah, in the absence of coach Nabi. Bana 6 points. Sometimes ama results abalekile Shane. Siyabona ukuthi okay yonke into ayiqali kahle ayihambi kahle kulama team esijwayele ukuthi angabenza into ezi right. But let's give a credit is due. Kaizer Chiefs collected 6 points, 2 out of 2. Into ente Shane, i-country happy. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi the way baqale ngakhona mawungabheka le line up today sibona baletha umdlalo ofana noCelo uyafesa.
Yeah.
Ba drope uNgcobo. Yeah, beba changeana ngama first 10 minutes. First 10 minutes Kaizer Chiefs be promise ngathi ifuna ukuthola
Goal.
After lapho yabuya iPolokwane City thatha 10 minutes nayo. From there Kaizer Chiefs yabuya futhi. So kusho kona ukuthi cishe le game ibe nje 50-50 mawungabheka. Sikhala nge-creativity most of the time mawungabheka Shane. Sibonile iChiefs kunala khona uma ungathi ubheka abadlali abafana nabomthetho njengoba ubheka. Chiefs ikhuphuka ngale side like a cross sometimes. Umunyana akakwazi ukuthi angakhuphuka ngani bekubanzima for yena. Sesinabo linemen abawu2. You understand? Uhlezi ulelepho le lineini. Ushadile no lineman akafuna ukushifta. I don't know what instruction from a coach because akakhona umunyana kukosa ukuthi umunyana angene kuphi angene la phakathi. Yeah, ngicine ngibona nje sebamdonsa balethe Frost. I don't know ukuthi instruction beyithini, you understand? From a benchini. But ngifuna before ngena ngibongele man le lineman ebengale phezulu. Uma ngabe ubukela i-TV Shane uzombona ungale phezulu.
Yeah.
Give credit kule alignment Shane. Wenza umsebenzi omuhle. Uma ungabheka maningi ama offside ongabone ku tight angle but beyakwazi ukwajaja. So ilabantu esibadingayo Shane ukuthi uma ngabe mhlambe kunama game anikezwayo no lineman akenza umsebenzi wakhe Shane because uyambona always uhlezi in the last defense. Always uhlezi in the it's either iPolokwane City or iKaizer Chiefs. Uhlezi yan the last defense. Kuba lula for yena ukuthi enze umsebenzi wakhe. I give credit kule alignment. I don't know mhlambe mangabe khona ama mistake awenzile but for mina Shane ngibona yenzile 10 out of 10 the way ngimbone ngakhona Shane. So Chiefs Shane ukuletha umthetho nokucele ngibona ngathi bekubanzima for iChiefs ukuthi ngaba ne-creativity.
Yeah.
Yes, umunye umuntu angathi ucele no akapush mhlawumbe akhona ukudlala lawo ma-forward pass nani, but mina ucele ngathi ngimdefend because if maybe ucele sina two rest defense ucele uyabuya uzohlala la phambi kwala ma-defend. Umsebenzi walabadlali ofana nokucele inze ukuthi umthetho uyodlala le-6 ucele akadlala eze-8 akabonisi ukuthi okay uba aggressive njengoba sibona mhlawumbe abadlali ababa ne-energy abafana nabo Gatsheni angisho udlala eze-8 shit. So umsebenzi wakho ukuthi sometimes hambe your assist going forward, you understand. So but yena uyambona ukuthi uhlezi ufuna ukumemana nomdlalo ofana nomthetho kuyoba nzima ukuthi Chiefs ibe nale creativity going forward, you understand, because njengoba ngisho ngithi uLilepho uhlezile mina kuyangami uLilepho Shane bengizomdlalisa as a target man bengizomletha la phakathi because ngiyacabanga i-height unayo bese sayikhuluma sinolindi ulinda athi phela uLilepho uyakwazi ukukhahlela left and right.
Yeah.
So uyabona ukuthi kunama second ball uyakhona ukucontesta kuma areas ball kunama second ball la ngibona ngathi uLilepho mhlambe angaba next to the box angenza something, you understand, because le yakhona Shane kuyoba nzima man. Ngilibonile lela ball walikora last season akhatha from a line in ezanayo akusimanga amabhola azowathola because uhleze line in kuyoba nzima ukuthi ufike eboxini. Sometimes ufike eboxini ungasanayo le energy ukhathele because ucarry ball from le ufuna ukuza nale eboxini. So mina kuyangami ngicabanga ukuthi maybe if angazi kuma training session but mina ngiyacabanga ukuthi bengamletha lapha then ngithatha abadlali abafana nabo abo uba nentwana le uModi uma ngabe khona kube uyodlala lela side uyangithola. So yeah ngizoyinikeza i-credit Kaizer Chiefs Shane but going ku side lePulukwane eish kuba nzima Shane sometimes ukuleka equality man.
Do you feel like bayamkhumbula uApollos?
Obvious Shane uMathuludi bayamkhumbula because khumbula ukuthi lela site la kaMathuludi bel operator Shane liyakwazi ukuoperate lenza ama box entries lethela uma crosses eboxini, we understand. So manje ukuthi kudinga ukuthi abadlali abafana nabo Ramabo kube yibo abahlala elayinini babuye ngapha bazoletha ama cross while kuno Lot Kambala ula phakathi unomdlalo ofana no bani intwana le captain yabo le uMaphangule, we understand.
uManyolo Kambala wayombiza uLord Kambala.
uLord Kambala ash ngathini mara Shane uke wanginikeza ileague abantu bara wena Shane yangisuyela mara ngithulele Shane sikhuluma ngegame Chiefs sikhuluma ngoLord Kambala Shane.
I know, it's fine. Carry on, Bobo. I was just asking why umbiza Lord Kambala. Now I know why is kuthiwa nguLord Kambala.
Okay. So ngizama ukusho Shane ukuthi abadlali abafana nabo uMaphangule nabo Kambala namhlanje sibabona abadlala lesuswini. Sekudinga bona manje ukuthi okay balethe lento mhlawumbe ukuthi uRama bakwazi ukudlala lapha esayidini. But it's difficult because uma ungabheka naye i-creativity abanayo Shane. Abanayo mina bengibona okay kunentwana egcoka ijezi number 17 khohle igama layo. Yabona ukuthi ine speed. Iyakwazi ukuthi ifuna ukuthatha abadlali umdlali on but unobani because okay siyabona nabo ba defender in numbers bakhona in the middle but kunobani phambili Shane ongahle mhlamba kunikeze something if kuba nalawo ma chances yokuthi maybe ungayithola. So uyabona ukuthi equality Shane kusaleka kakhulu uma team afana nabo Polokwane City.
Difuna sede ngaye Kaizer Chiefs. Xa sewujongile this season Bobs, I know it's still very early. We still have played just 2 games this season. But xa wajongile this season, the first 2 games, ujonge last season, do you see any improvement in terms of ukudlala? I know they've added a couple of players, but do you see improvement in terms of ibhola abayidlalayo and how they are moving forward as compared to Kaizer Chiefs last season?
Shane, angiboni khona mehluko because ama point into ebalekile ukuthi bayawathatha last season bathatha ama points. But ngeplay Shane angifuni ukutshela manga Shane. Angiboni ukhona umehluko kule Chiefs ya last season. Amanye ama game bangahle bawalose badlala to badlala ngakhona, you understand. But for now because of Bacoleti 6 point I think into right because ama point abalekile Shane iwazokwenza ukuthi sometimes ube ku position e right kuloko. But mawungabheki performance wise you can tell amanye ama team ukuthi badropile abadlali njenga last season. But for me na Chiefs ngibona nje isafana Shane just that manje ngoba bakwazi ukuthi banga concede yakhumbula ukuthi last
yeah.
kunalento ukuthi mabangakora bayehlisa umzimba i-team yafika izo-equalizer but now ngiyacabanga ukuthi into angathi bazama ukuyilungisa ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi mangabe bakorile bangaconcede ile nto nje ngibona ngathi mhlawumbe izobenza ukuthi bawine ama-game if they don't concede amagoli lula so ile nto ngibona ngathi mhlawumbe okay ingabathathi babeke somewhere this season.
And another difference, ndingathi i-difference because yenzekile. I-games ezinje ezi-close olu hlobo, Kaizer Chiefs will just lose them last season or maybe idlala i-draw. But yabona namhlanje ukuthi they won. Meaning that ikhona mhlawumbe a little bit of a change, even if incinci, but it's something eyehlukileyo ngabo kule season.
Yeah, and kumele bathandaze uPeterson angatholi mhlawumbe ukulimala or i-suspension. Because ngibonile namhlanje ubonile ukuthi kunalabadlali aba-reckless ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Unenhlanhla umdlali ofana noGatsheni. I think leya tackle yakhe enkele it was a red card the way ngibone ngakhona.
Yeah,
you understand?
yeah,
it was straight red. Uthi ubheka nomdlalo ofana noMcCarthy kune foul ayenzile i-free kick manje lapha. Leya foul I think nayo bekuba second yellow. So babe nenhlanhla uma ungabheka abadlali abafana nalabo. So njengoba uyibeka nje ngithi mina bamgcine ucoach ofana ugoalkeeper ofana noPeterson abe khona because ngiyacabanga kuleya position banenkinga Shane. If bazothola mhlawumbe suspension or ukulimala uzothola sebaconsider lula uyangithola
Wena wabongathi nawo amaqhinga.
kanjani
Ufuna bamgcina uPeterson because Kaizer Chiefs is about to play your team.
no
And no.
Okay.
The last time
yeah
babedlala against your team in a certain cup, Peterson considered 4.
okay
Is that maybe why?
no akusinjalo Shane ngicela ukukubuza umbuzo ngaba wrong uma ngithi ngicela ugcine umceceshi uAbdeslam uzoba wrong namachinga ngale ndlela
You can ask me that next week on Tuesday. We'll talk.
okay
We'll be here the whole season. Next week Tuesday. I will not be here on Saturday.
iku position ban Orlando Pirates kulokho
In an unfamiliar position. It's an unfamiliar
indawo
position.
yabanye abantwana Shane
bo-
uthethe indawo yabanye
bo-
abantwana Shane
They are in an unfamiliar
nami
position.
ngithethe abanye abantwana but le yakho iwest Shane
Bobo, they are in an unfamiliar position. But yeah, Giants always rise. Eh?
awuyaziduduza
Well, Mobzin, engos kakhulu. This weekend there's a semi-final coming up. I mean, we are done with the Betway for now. Match day 2. Over the weekend, Sayas go to first leg with MTN8. Orlando Pirates up against Mamelodi Sundowns. Sekhukhune up against Stellenbosch. 2 tough matches as well over the weekend. But yeah, we'll talk about that.
njalo but
Thank you so much. It's Kaizer Chiefs 1, Polokwane City 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.